Hey, looky, looky, look what I got here from Aliexpress. Let's open it up and see. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go. We got this look like a sealed bag here. Can I rip this open? I guess I'm gonna try one more time. I can rip it open. Okay, so I had to cut open the bag. It was sealed. It's a good sign that they sealed it. Let's put this over here. We don't need this. We don't need this, guys. It's pretty simple device here. It comes in a plastic box, well protected from. Okay, I'm gonna be careful with this. I'm gonna put it on top of the box like this. Let me face it this way, orient it like this, and let's zoom in. Now, for those of you who don't know what this is a CW decoder board / keyer. Okay. So let me lift it up from here. I'm going to put a closer look so you can see it. This is an OLED screen right here. It is split in half. Of course, it's not powered on right now because it's not hook connected to anything. Okay, I paid a total of $16.88 for this from Aliexpress. So I'm just going to go over the quick features on it. You know, what you see there. As you can see, user power. This is for the power, USB-C. So that is how you power this device. Over here, you see that small little 3.5 millimeter connector. That is for your keyer, for your CW keyer. In my case, I have a little putty cake straight keyer. You put it there. That's how you do the Morse code, your CW. Okay. And over here, there is a little, kind of a little speaker type thing. It looks like a speaker or buzzer. Yeah, it's a buzzer, actually. It's a buzzer. Okay, so it's a buzzer. And this is the USB input for your, this connects to the computer. Okay. And you have, it's a CW decoder. I don't know the specs off the top of my head. I think it goes up to 21 words per minute or something like that, decodes. The beauty about this, not only it decodes, it also is a keyer. In other words, you can use the keyboard also to transmit. There are several devices out there that do this. They are very expensive. The one that comes to mind is Keyer. When I say expensive, it's relative to, you know what I mean. Like, you know, I'm not saying that they're like in the $1,000 range. No, I think the Keyer goes for about $139 listed price, if I remember. There is another one. It's no longer made. It's from MFJ. It is the 464. And that one has been discontinued for quite a few years. That one, if you're lucky to get it on eBay, it'll cost you about $300. I was very close to getting one about a year ago for about $99, but I lost the bid. Somebody went ahead and outbid me and bought it for way over $270. I was not going to go that high for it. Sorry. That wasn't going to happen. So I'm glad that something like this came out. There is a little video on this. I'm going to put the link in the description for this item. There is a little video link on it just demonstrating it. And by the way, there are software solutions also. There are several. The one that comes in mind right away is Ham Radio Deluxe. That you can do not only decoding, of course, but you can send out via keyboard. And also the macro. What I mean by macro is, for example, like someone like me, I'm just learning about CW now. The basic, CQ, DE, Kilo Delta 2 Zulu Zulu Echo. Especially when that's a repetitive thing over and over. What you can do is you can record it. It basically saves it here, and it sends it out. Instead of you doing it, rekeying it over and over, right? You're rekeying it over and over. This will automatically select that, save that phrase, and it'll send it out for you every, whenever. So you don't have to be. So, like for example, as a beginner, it's good to have that. And also, I also read that in contests, it's good to, you can do that also in contesting. I know some people are going to say, well, that's good at cheating. No, it's not cheating. Actually, I even saw one case where it was on Reddit. It was a comment on Reddit, and the guy wrote that he uses something like this, but not this one. It was another one that he uses. I think it was Hammer the Deluxe, the one that he uses. And he said that he uses that because he suffered a brain injury many years ago. And he's been a CW guy for about 60 plus years or something like that. But he said that his hands are no longer, I guess motor skills, whatever. So he relies on devices like this to help him, to enjoy the hobby. So I know you purists out there going to say, well, it's going to be cheating. No, it's not cheating. It's not cheating because I'm going to be doing both. I will have my keyer here. I will, do that. But I'm also, the decoder is going to help me with that. And also, I can use the keyboard, okay, for this function right here. Okay, so there you go. So I picked this up for about $16.88, I believe. I got it for really cheap. These right now they're on Aliexpress for about $20. I think after this video they're gonna get sold out because, of course, my channel. People watch my channel, and I'm probably the first guy in all of YouTube that's doing a video on this device right now. Okay, so I know I'm going to put the link in the description, but there are several vendors of this. So I got mine. It took about a week. And definitely I will be using this. I have, I have my keyer. I have a straight keyer that I'm going to be using that. And that's how I'm going to be learning my CW. And I'll be doing that very soon, especially as soon as I'm done with my USA 250 on my 10 meter band. I'm almost done. I got about 202. I got 48 to go, and that's it. So I'm about a week and a half away from it. And then I'm going to go all in CW for quite a while. And I'm going to be using a device like this to help me. So there you go. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more things like this. I talk about all these devices, gadgets, amateur radio, DXing, whatever. Technology. Hey, why not subscribe to my channel? And there you go. So thank you for watching. And you guys have a great week. Have a great weekend, everybody. See you soon. Bye-bye.